Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you why your air conditioner smells like burning plastic and what you should do before the problem becomes more serious. So first of all, if you notice a strong burning plastic smell, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply turn off your AC immediately. Afterwards, you need to start thinking about when the smell appears. If you only notice it during the startup and it then disappears within a minute, the dust on the electrical components may be burning off after a long period of inactivity. However, if the smell gets strong while the AC is running, it's a sign of an active fault. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to simply inspect the indoor and the outdoor unit as well. So here, you need to look for the burn marks or any melted plastic or discolored wires or any burnt odor which is coming from the electrical access panel. Don't remove any of the electrical covers unless the power is completely disconnected. Now you can also try to mask the smell with the air fresheners, or you can continue using the AC. A persistent burning plastic smell is usually a warning that the electrical component is overheating, and in this situation it needs to be repaired before the system is operated again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.